2015, I received a head injury, and this is how I put my life back together.
What's going on with that thumbnail and title? Stay tuned for the answer. I'm so very excited to be here today making this video. I'm not exactly sure it's called a collab, but I'm working with an author! So I've been working with this wonderful woman for weeks now, and I'm learning so many things that will help with this channel. I've been so excited to post this video, but I had to wait until now. I'm fully enjoying this book and I can't seem to put it down. In the first 3 days of having the book, I didn't set it down, and I would return back to it if I did set it down. So I'd set it down, I'd return back to it. I'd set it down, I'd return back to it, and I'd set it down, and I'd return back to it. I think TBI Journey might have an addiction, but at least it's a healthy addiction. So I have a favorite line out of the book that I'll share with you in about 34 seconds, but oh my gosh, I haven't even explained how you can get your hands on this book yet. Right now it's selling on Amazon and it's the #1 selling book right now. Major bookstores are slowly getting the book in, and you can also get it on this website if you decide that this is the book that you want to be getting. Create Your Own Bright Ideas by Jess is wonderful for all ages. It was created for 8 to 12 years, but I would say it works for all ages, both young and old. So I once lost my way and forgot this. So as promised, my favorite quote out of the book is make magical moments, and make sure that you keep those moments close to your heart each and every day. Create Your Own Bright Ideas official pub date is November 15th, 2022, and that's tomorrow. It's also a very special day. It's National Entrepreneurs Day. So make sure you mark your calendars for this wonderful book when it comes out. I don't know your journey and I don't know your path, but for anyone seeking to plan their future, they plan the future they imagine, then this book is perfect for you. Jess is wonderful and has worked very hard on this book. I'm quite grateful to be helping her to get the book into the public. As a side note, if you see this, congratulations to you and your family. That's it for this one. Time to wrap it up and hand it off to the editor. Please and thank you leave me a like and a comment. Could you also leave me a comment down below in the comment section about whether or not you plan to buy the book? I appreciate you watching, and as always, thank you for your most valued currency, your time. Stay tuned for more content like this. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss more content like this, and I'll see you in next week's video.